Good morning, all. Once again, welcome to the world of ICT. Today, we are going to discuss our first chapter, the world of designing. We are already discussed about the basic matter of this chapter. This matter is based on the software Inkscape. Okay, so first we're going to open Inkscape software. Okay, applications, graphics, then Inkscape vector graphics editor. Okay, this is Inkscape vector graphics editor. You can see menu bar, toolbar, color palette and page border. Okay, you can disable this page border. Click on file, document properties and just disable show page border. Okay, as you wish. Okay, then there is color palette to select the colors. There is selection tool, rectangle tool, circle tool, calligraphic brush tool, create and edit text tool. Okay, in your chapter there is a logo. We want to create a logo to be used in the banner of a new coffee shop to be opened by Kudumbashree. Okay, we are going to create a logo. Okay, a logo, it consists of a cup and saucer. This is the first step for creating a saucer and for creating the cup and its handle, and this is the logo, cup and saucer. This is the final logo. Okay, today's session we are only creating that cup and saucer only. Okay, first there is some basics of this Inkscape, that is just create a circle using this circle tool. Okay, using this selection tool you can select the colors. Okay, and use create this rectangle tool. You can change this color like this, and there is a option lower to bottom or lower. Just click on this rectangle, click on object menu and lower to bottom. Okay, rectangle is in that lower of that circle object. Then there is an option upper to bottom, sorry, raise to top. Then rectangle is on top of that circle. Then there is an option for grouping a picture. This is two individual objects. Okay, you need to group that picture. First you select the two objects. Okay, select the objects and go to object and click on group. The shortcut key for group is Ctrl plus G. Okay, okay, this is grouped, and you can ungroup this object by clicking on object ungroup. The shortcut key for ungroup is shift plus Ctrl plus G. Okay, this is ungroup. Okay, then there is an option for duplicate. Okay, select an object, click on edit, then duplicate. The shortcut key for duplicate is Ctrl plus D. Yeah, there is a duplicate. We get the duplicate of that rectangle. This is some basics of Inkscape software. First we are starting our first work. You need to save the file. Firstly, go to file and save, and go to home folder, type a name, logo Inkscape, SVG. The default image format of an Inkscape software is SVG. You know the full form, okay? Previous class we already discussed that, okay? SVG, scalable vector graphics, right? Click on save button. Okay, now we are going to create cup and saucer. First you need to draw an elliptical shape. Just create the circle and draw an elliptical shape and change the color. Okay, then there is an option fill and stroke. This is on object, fill and stroke. There is 3 tabs: fill, stroke paint and stroke style. In that fill tab you just select radial gradient option. Okay, then select this arrow gradient option. Then there is 3 nodes. Click on the outer node and select a dark color. Okay, then click on middle, just a light color, and you can arrange okay. Now take a duplicate of this picture, edit, duplicate. Okay, and go to object, gradient, and select gradient. Okay, then take a duplicate of that picture, take a flat color and you just take a duplicate of the picture, then there is an option difference tool. Select the 2 objects and go to path menu, difference. Okay, then drag and drop here. Okay, then you need to draw a base of that saucer. Okay, then select that object and go to object, lower to bottom. Okay, right, understand? And group the picture, select the whole object and object group, right? Okay, we draw that saucer, and next is a cup and its handle. That's the next step. Go to circle and draw this shape. And select circle tool, change the color, and select the two objects, go to path, difference. Okay, then once again select the circle, place it here, and take a duplicate of that picture. And go to path and difference, right? Go to circle menu, the color of just T, okay, just group that picture. Next is we need to create the handle of that cup. Just create a elliptical shape and take a duplicate of that picture using Ctrl and Shift key. Yeah, then go to path and difference, right? You can change the color, then again go to circle tool, and click both of that object, path the difference. Okay, we get the handle. We can rotate, just click on that inside the object and move it on here, and just go to select that object and object lower to bottom. Okay, then group that picture, and place the cup here. This is a demo model. Okay, you do it neatly from your computer. This is only a demo. Okay, how we can create the cup and saucer. Okay. Okay, now group the picture. Okay, we can modify it to the next class. Go to file and save. Okay, let's discuss our next sections, that is logo creation and logo that is to be included in the banner. Today we created cup and saucer. Okay, if you have any doubts you can call me or message me. Okay, I need your valuable feedback. Okay, if it is good or bad. Okay, then see you on next class. Goodbye.